Hello everyone, welcome to this quick setup guide for the ImoLaza Smart Controller app. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store and download the ImoLaza app. Once downloaded, open the app and click on Create Account. Fill in your basic information and submit your registration. Check your email from ImoLaza and click Confirm to finish the process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to add your controller to your account. Simply click on Add Controller. The app will prompt you to allow Bluetooth access for setting up device Wi-Fi. The app will list all available devices. Choose the one with the same MAC address as your device. If it's not listed, tap on Click Here instead. Input your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi details by keying in the Wi-Fi name and its password or switch Wi-Fi instead. Keep your phone within 10 feet of the device for a stable connection. Click Connect and wait for the app to complete the setup. Name your device. When you see Device Added Successfully, your controller is activated. Add your accurate location address for precise weather forecasts. Choose your preferred weather station for real-time weather data. Tap Finish to complete the setup. On the home page, you can do a quick run by clicking the green drop button. In the Schedules tab, create your personalized watering schedule with a simple step-by-step process. Once your schedule is set up, you can easily view, edit, skip, or delete it at any time. Zones tab allows you to configure each zone's settings, while the Settings tab provides common settings for your controller and account. Need help? Click on Customer Services in the Settings page to reach us directly. Hope this guide helps.